Hello everyone. Welcome back to our new video. Today, I'll guide you through how to delete a repository in GitHub. If you've been searching for a way to remove a specific GitHub repository, you've come to the right place. But before we get started, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. Now, let's start. To delete a repository in GitHub, first of all, open github.com in one of the web browser. In the upper right corner of the GitHub homepage, click on your profile picture. From the drop-down menu, select your profile. Now at the top of your GitHub profile, click on the Repositories tab to view all your repositories. Scroll down through the list or use the search bar to find the repository you want to delete. Once found, click on the name of the repository to open it. Now, click on the Settings tab at the top right of the repository page. In the Settings page, scroll down to the section Danger Zone section. In the Danger Zone section, find the option Delete this repository and click on the Delete this repository button from the right side. Now, a confirmation dialog will appear, asking you to confirm the deletion. To confirm, you will need to click on the I want to delete this repository button. Again, click on the I have read and understand these effects. Now, GitHub asks you to confirm by typing your account username / your repository name. Once you type, lastly click on the Delete this repository button. Your repository was now successfully deleted. By following these simple steps, you can easily delete a repository from your GitHub account.